Hey, the guys at Warboo sent me this bucket seat, and I'm gonna unbox it and show you the wonders of this product. I just want you to see how well made it is, what kind of quality that you're gonna get when you purchase this from a small business, right? So we gotta support small businesses and the products that they make for us people that like the outdoors. So, what is a bucket seat? First, let me have you take a look how well made this thing is, right? And check this out. This material, this cover, is waterproof. So, you can go out there, you're gonna sit, this is a cushion, right? So that you can sit, right? You're gonna have a bucket, right? You're gonna sit on that bucket the whole day, hunting, fishing, doing gardening. You have your bucket, you sit there, and this memory foam cushion is going to withstand and help you through a lot of projects, a lot of hours of sitting down and doing your thing, right? Your favorite thing, whether that's hunting, fishing, gardening, whatever. You are going to have a comfortable place to sit when you're doing your outdoors activity. Now, the best thing about this, right? The super cool thing about this is that this rotates on this axis, right? It rotates anywhere. So let's say that you're sitting down, right? And you want to, do something else, move. It helps with your mobility, or even just to stretch out the legs to move around. This is perfect, right? Now, this is really, really well made, right? It's something that, I mean, I wish you could touch it. Memory foam, waterproof cover, well made, very rugged, with plastic that will last forever, right? And it's very lightweight, so you almost cannot feel the weight of it, and it's going to be something that will help you, right, ease the time that you're sitting down waiting for things to happen. Especially if you're fishing, we sit around a lot. Okay, so it comes with, right, this comes with this. Let's see what this is. Just opening it, enjoying it. I'm gonna enjoy this a lot. Ooh, it's a bag to carry it with, right? This is a waterproof cover. So let's put this thing on this. Let's put this thing on this baby. Oh yeah. So this is another cover for it. There you go. Oh, nice. So now it's nicely covered. You put it away, take it with you, or even, there's people that turn this into, they put all the stuff in there. You put all your stuff in there, cover it, take it with you. So there are specs that you need to follow when it comes to buying the bucket that you're gonna use with this, right? Or take it with you to whatever store, hardware store, so that you can present it on the bucket. And man, you're gonna have hours of good times with this. Let me take this cover off, right? Memory foam, light, durable. Hey man, it's even the same camo pattern as my shirt. Super, super recommended.